everyone, I have the Samsung Galaxy A51 on my hands, a budget phone that has great specs for a budget phone. If I can get it. Yes! Alright, we got there it is. Ha 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 ha. Set that aside. Power adapter. Yada yada yada. Charging cable. I believe that's USB-C and earphones. Because it does have a headphone jack. Or well, earbuds.
Hold it down here. No, hold it down closer. Okay.
Alright. Trying to figure out how we should open this. I think using the tab. Yeah, maybe you're supposed to do this. I don't know the official way to do it. There it is. The Galaxy. Oh, it's got little pieces of plastic on the side. I don't know why it does. I don't understand why they put these plastic rail protectors on there. They're really hard to get off. Oh, that was actually part of the SIM card tray. They call it a plastic back, plastic that feels like glass. As one would say.
You got some marker on your hands today, didn't you?
I know. Try to get the rest of this off. Yeah, that is definitely USB-C. Here's the device I'm going to show you.
Where's your phone?
Why?
I want to so you can set it and compare sizes. Okay.
Yeah, so that's definitely USB-C. Powering up. Look at the back. Wow! Really? Samsung up in your game here. Really? Make sure there are no covers on there. So it is plastic, as they call it. It is beautiful. Wow. Samsung. Is it unlocked, so?
It's supposed to be.
It's unlocked, which is a good thing for all of us. It's got a good size.
Looks like it's in Espanol.
English United States.
Sure.
It's got a plastic screen protector on it.
Well, just leave that plastic screen protector on there for me.
Let's go.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
It's got Bixby.
Okay, I have read.
I've read all the agreements.
Wi-Fi would be quite handy here. Choose a network.
Now, I'm going to show you the back of the device while I plug into our Wi-Fi.
Somebody didn't review all the paperwork.
We didn't review all the paperwork.
Hopefully a SIM tool in this mess.
Oh, it comes with a case, it looks like.
Oh, well, la-di-da. I don't have to wait for my case to come in.
I wanted to show you the installing updates. Wow, those are thin bezels.
Okay, apparently this phone was made for distribution in Spanish-speaking countries.
Probably Mexico.
Printed in Vietnam. Oh, anything in English? No.
No English. It has what Samsung calls a plastic back. So you know. if you're wondering, that is beautiful too, in my opinion. Copy apps and data.
Sure.
Photos, contacts. Oh, you need it old. You need your old device. You can't use it because I'm filming with it. Checking info. Alright. Let me. Signing in. Alright. Getting the account info for our Google account. We need to go ahead and do that.
I guess. Is that this phone?
Yes.
Restore.
So literally we still have a bunch of storage on this thing. Okay. Checking for updates. It's going back to that.
What's the battery charge life on there?
It's good.
Okay.
Face recognition. Fingerprints. Yes. Password, a PIN,
Yeah,
which is the number. I know what to put.
okay. And then scan your fingerprint.
It's working in screen, baby. Oh. We'll add this in